What is going on, guys? Your boy Mike Lowry Trading Academy. So today on the pre-market live, we had some good call outs. We look like we're still gonna fall. We did reclaim that 682, but we'll see. We're already done for the day. All I played was QQQ to the downside. People actually ate on. Let's see here. We got 20%. This was all of the trades today for me. I'll go over it. 300. Damn near 300. 20. What? 22%. There's some more. 30%. 18. 20%. That's fire. Fire. Hood. QQQs. Spies. Right, so let's go over the watch list. This was a great watch list, great morning session if you joined it. SPY below 683.5 to 682.2. So if you go to SPY, we go below 683.5, which is right here, which is a beautiful break and retest, to 682.2 is right there. So SPY literally broke. Beautiful retest, went straight to take profit. And then that's it. There's no reason to hold after that. That was 683.5 to 682.2. Great trade. It did break below. I mean, you could have got an extra $1 out of it, but who cares? That is, for a day like this, it's gorgeous. You could have taken that 648 reject, like if you're watching on your own. The break below pre-market lows, below London lows, along with like a flag right here to that up to that 684. It's always great. Right after the breakout and the retest, that's another entry, right? And that's definitely take profit for sure. That when it just drops like that, I always just take profits. I mean, or a trim half. And then we could go to Nvidia below 194.5 down to 192, below 194.5, boom, down to 192. I'm gonna just get rid of these for you. Down to 192. Boom. That is, I mean, that was textbook off open. Just gorgeous, straight to take profit. And then hood below 131 to 127.5. Hood below 131 to 127.5. What did I hit? Ooh, from like 128.5. But it's still, I mean, it's still going. It could, I think it could still hit personally. It's just taking a little bit to get there because, yeah. Oh, yeah, that looks so good to the downside. I definitely think we'll grab that, take profit for sure. And then we have QQQ 622.8 to 621, right? QQQ 622.8 to 621. So this was the trade for me. Excuse me. This is what I was watching most of the day, right? This was actually my only trade of the day, and it wasn't horrendous, but man, it was hard. So like calling it out wise was hard. So I entered. We got this clean candle break and close. And this right here tried to wick back above and then closed below. So I entered using this as a stop loss, right? Beautiful. All right. So then after this happens, I'm like, nice. We're getting our confirmation. I'm just waiting for a pullback at this point to call it out to the chat. So then I called it out to the chat, and we entered right here on this pullback on this 5-minute candle. And then we went up. So from 621 to 621.95. That's when we were going through all this, right? So down she goes. This whole 620 new supply. May have got back in QQQ. See, so entering super light. Stop loss right above 621 because, that's, well, 621 would have been above this wick essentially for the small accounts, right? But then I tell them to wait, right? I'm like, I'm still in QQQ. Y'all can stop if you want. I didn't go heavy, so I want to see if we break the 621.40 or not. And sure enough, broke 621.40, right? And then got this. Okay, so then I was like back in QQQ again. So then I got back in here, right? We added. So my trim or my entry, my trim added with you guys, held. I was going to use here as a new stop, and then took it down to right here. So this is when I definitely sold most of my position. Is because that wick was pretty scary on that support in a demand zone, but we did just make a lower low. So I'm looking for that big push to that 617 or potentially even lower. Excuse me, yes, I have allergies. If I sniffle a lot, I'm sorry. I try not to. But below this 617, we could see a pretty nice drop. So if we do get it today, which looks like we are, we might. Then we'll have some good levels for tomorrow. We also have CPI and PPI, so you got to be aware of that because that'll definitely throw you off. Um, and then what else? That's it. That's it. So I think this is going to be the nice drop to 617. Hood giving us that drop to 127.5. Yeah, we're going to hit. We're going to hit. It's important just to not micromanage your trades, right? I could say that QQQ is kind of micromanaged today on my end because I mean that's wiki. I mean that's a hard hold. um, so to grab this out, add, break even. Okay, back in profits with this wick, and added, like add again to sell. It was a lot for sure. So now, of course, this clean break of 620.50 to 617 is that full TP that we just hit. So that's awesome. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I think we're gonna push past it now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We'll see what happens at 680. But SPY for sure. We're in this demand. Huh. We'll see. We shall see. 676, 675. We gonna bounce, we gonna go. The 1 hour could definitely push down. The 5 minute looks like bullish divergence for sure. Okay, long terms. UNH going crazy. I like that. What's Meta doing today? That's what Meta's doing. Oh wow. 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 I should have looked at Meta today. That was gorgeous. I mean, there wasn't even really that much of a pullback to get in, but wow. All right, so that's it for the day. That's how you use the watch list. That's how you play off the watch list. And I just showed you what you need to do. Like you literally get these levels. Excuse me. You get these levels that I give you, You put them onto your chart and you wait for it to happen, whether it goes above or it goes below. All you gotta do is wait for one or the other to happen first, and then you take it to where I tell you to. Bada bing, bada boom, just like that. You're good to go. It's your boy Mike Lowy. Reach out if you got any questions. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We out you.